So how do you download Quick Share on your Android device? Let me show you and guide you through the way it works. If you are first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So Quick Share in my case and in most cases is a built-in feature. So you should be able to find it when you go to your settings, tap on connected devices, and it is in most cases right there at the top. So you can go there and make sure you turn it on, like you decide who can share stuff with you, so you can switch it from no one to your contacts or even everyone, and then that's how you can kind of like make it work. You sort of like start the feature to be functional. If it doesn't work or if you don't see it, just check out if there isn't any software update available inside of the settings, and at the bottom you can check out the software updates and you will be able to see if there is stuff ready to be installed. And in most cases there is going to be something, and a lot of times when you install a new update, new features get added, so stuff like Quick Share might as well be added to your phone. But even if it's not going to happen or show up, I don't think it's that big of a deal, because you can get a third-party alternative for it. In the Google Play Store, if you look up an app which is called Send Anywhere, this is an app which is made by third-party developer, of course, but it works literally on every device. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or iPhone or anything. You can get an app using which you can put two phones together and share stuff over using this app. So I would just share stuff like my photo. It's going to come up with the 6-digit code, which I can type in into the other device. And this is how it's going to move stuff from one phone to another, even without the official Samsung or Google Quick Share or whatever. So that is how I personally like to use it. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future uploads.